Remedial teaching is identifying the slow learners or any child who's facing a lot of learning difficulties and providing them with the necessary guidance which will help them to overcome their issues academically. So for these kind of issues we need remedial teaching. If a child is a slow learner or if a child is struggling with learning difficulty, the first thing is we need to identify these kind of children. And how we are going to identify is that there has to be a kind of assessment that has to be done. Once we are done with the assessment, a proper guidance is provided to the parent and the child. First she needs to do is approach a counselor or inform the parents. If there is a counselor in the school, she should inform in the school, and it has to be conveyed to the parent as well that the child is struggling academically and the child may require extra help. Now when we talk about extra help, that doesn't mean that we need to put the child through a lot of tuitions, or you make them sit for longer hours after school to study, just to remember, just to by heart these kind of things. But rather than this, we need to approach the parents to indulge the child in remedial teaching. The most important tip for a teacher I would give is, if you feel your child is struggling in the class, especially when it comes to reading and writing, they are not able to follow the instructions properly, and they're easily getting distracted, and any kind of behavior problems are there. And if you feel that the child is facing any one of these, so the teacher has to identify these children and send them for assessment. And teachers are the most important part of a child's learning process. So as a teacher also, you need to be really calm and patient, and most importantly you need to be very supportive and always encourage a child to learn. And the first thing the parent needs to do is get the child formally assessed. Once the assessment is done, then they have to start with the remedial teaching, and it has to be a multi-sensory technique for a child to learn. The most important tip I would give it to a parent is they need to be really calm, patient and supportive towards their child, because sometimes we pass on our anxiety to the child and it becomes even more difficult for us to deal with the children. If we want to rewire the brain of a child, it needs at least 90 days of regular practice to fit those things in the normal life. A child needs to have a fixed structure that has to be repeated every time the child is learning. There has to be a constant drilling of the lesson. Early identification is very important, and early intervention is also very important. So once the correct intervention is given to the child, they can definitely overcome their difficulties and they can perform much better in the school setup as well. The warning signs that you should be aware of, like if a child is not taking any kind of interest when it comes to doing any kind of school homework, and whenever a child is seeing the words or letters, and if the child is not interested, not keen on doing it, then that's a warning sign. Secondly, if the child is not getting proper sleep, or if the child is not having a balanced diet, that also hampers their performance and the attention span in school. If the child is constantly getting low grades, then again it's a warning sign, and you need to consider why the child is having difficulties or anything. It's not necessary that if the child is getting a low grade always means that you require a remedial teaching, but you need to see the other environmental factors as well, as in how is the home environment, how is the school setup. We at Brainstorm International are constantly working towards improving the language skills of the children who are struggling with learning difficulties, or if a child is a slow learner. We've been working with these kind of kids for a really long time, and we've seen amazing results, and with time the kids are able to overcome their difficulties, and most of them are doing really well in their respective fields. So we at Brainstorm are giving them a multisensory approach and a very structured method for the child to learn. It is easier to build a child than to repair an adult, so steps taken at the right time with correct method can change their lives.